In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell Canva on Shopify. To get started, the first thing you need to do is work with the right app inside Shopify. This is important because Shopify apps connect your store to other tools, and they help you add features without manually building everything yourself. In this case, you are going to use a dedicated connection to Canva, so your customers can create or access designs in a smoother way. Now, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Look for the section where you can add apps. Depending on how your dashboard is laid out, you might see an Apps area in the left-hand menu, or a Store Applications area. Once you are there, you will want to search for the app that is specifically meant to connect Canva with your Shopify store. Next, search for the app named Canva Connect. When you type in the search term, you should see it appear as a result. Make sure the app title matches Canva Connect closely, so you install the correct one. Also, take a quick moment to confirm that it is the Canva Connection app that is meant for Shopify. This helps you avoid installing something unrelated. After you locate Canva Connect in the search results, you are ready to install it. Click the Install button or the option that says you can add it to your Shopify store. At this point, Shopify will typically show an installation page with a summary of what the app does. Take a moment to review that summary so you know what you are enabling. Then proceed with the installation as instructed by the page. During the installation process, Shopify may ask you to approve permissions. Permissions allow the app to work with your store, such as connecting the app to your products or enabling the integration features. You should not rush through this part. Read what the permission request is asking for and make sure it aligns with connecting Canva tools to your Shopify store experience. Once the installation completes, you will usually be taken back to the apps page in your Shopify admin. This is the moment where you confirm that Canva Connect is successfully added. You should see the app listed among your installed apps, and it should show a status that indicates it is active or installed. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh and double-check that you installed the correct app from the search results. Now that the app is installed, you are done with the core step in this tutorial. At this point, the Canva Connect integration is in place, which means you have taken the essential action needed to start using Canva-related features with your Shopify store. From here, you can move into whatever additional settings or design flow you plan to use, but that is beyond what is included in these specific instructions. To make sure everything is working as expected, it can be helpful to check the Canva Connect app listing and open the app from your Shopify dashboard if there is an option to do so. That way, you can confirm that Shopify recognizes it correctly and that it loads without issues. And that is it. You searched Canva Connect, installed it, and you are ready to continue building your Canva experience on Shopify. That covers everything you need to know.